Hi. Do you know what these things are? These are swamp huts. We just live here. And I'm gonna show you to make them. You need flower pots, oak wood, cauldron, crafting table, spruce wood stairs, and spruce wood planks. And I'm gonna show you. Let's try here in the ice. Try to make it. First, you need to build 5 blocks of oak wood and put it on the other side. 3 blocks distance. And right here too, but 4 blocks distance. You need to put spruce wood planks right here. 2 blocks distance right here. So, right here. And fill up to make the floor and the wall. So this should be the back. So like that. And put some fence on it. And just the left side and the right side. And the very side, put a flower pot with a mushroom on it. Put a cauldron right here. And crafting table. And the front right here. And this will be the window, and put some fence on it. Add some of the spruce wooden planks like that. And put fence right here. And add spruce wooden planks, 1 each. That. This will be the roof. And add some spruce wood stairs right there. Make the roof. Okay. Here you have it. Have a hut, a swamp hut. You can build it anywhere. Thanks for watching.